Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation wear test of the new Too Faced Dew You foundation. Now, I picked this up from Mecca this morning and I thought, why not put it to the test together? Let's see how it really performs. So I picked up the shade Nude. I got color matched in store, but I also picked up a few little sample pots of other shades so I could at least show you the shade variety and I guess what one of the lightest shades is versus one of the darkest shades. It just has a little pop off top and then the little pump dispenser. So I'm just going to pump out a bit here. So this is Nude, which isn't one of the lightest shades, but it is quite light. So here is Swan, Nude and Cocoa. So you can see on the spectrum, I'm still towards the lighter end of the range, but it is so good that it is an inclusive collection that actually goes to a darker color. So before we apply the foundation, I'm going to prep my skin using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Now, this is a primer I absolutely love. I've used it before in the past and it's just so beautiful. It's great for hydrating the skin. This is just like the cute little travel version, which I love because I'm going away soon and it will be just super small and compact to take. So it has the pump applicator. Just going to put a couple of drops. So I'm going to go in with the Dew You foundation. I'm just going to start by dotting some all over the face. Okay, let's start just with one side and I'm going to go in with my Juno sponge. I also got this from Mecca. And let's just start blending it out. Now, as you can see, I do get quite red through my cheeks, so I'm glad that this is going to even my skin tone as well. That's quite nice. That is just a light coverage, but I feel that it is buildable. So I'm going to just apply some straight to the sponge. Ah yes, that is better. The girl actually mentioned in store, once you go in with the sponge, you are going to get more coverage. But I didn't hate it just with a soft kind of, like a light veil over. That was kind of just nice for every day. This is my first time using the Juno sponge too. Kind of reminds me like the texture of the sponge. Remember those like Sylvania families, the little rabbits? It's kind of like that kind of fuzzy texture. Taking me back to my childhood. Speaking of childhood, did anyone notice my little butterfly clips? I'd like to say that I bought them somewhere recently, but they are actually from the 90s. When we moved, I found a whole bag of like 90s hair accessories and I'm like, I'm not parting with this. Hell no. I should also mention I am not tanned at the moment. This is me. I'm quite liking this finish. It's not like cakey or anything. It blends out really smoothly. Well, first impressions, I am liking how it applies straight away. Now for the other side, I thought, why not go in with a buffing brush? I thought that could be a good little test so we can see the difference. So again, I'm just going to dot it on my skin. I'll be a bit more generous this time. And I'm just going to use some rose water just to mist my brush. And then we're just going to blend. It really does smell like watermelon. It's so like fresh. Not bad. I don't actually mind it with the buffing brush either. Like sometimes you can find that it kind of leaves like little bristle marks or something, but this, especially like when you use this pouncing motion, just blends it right in. I like it. Okay, I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see up close, but so far I'm really loving how it first applies. It definitely creates an even coverage. It is full coverage as well, so all my redness has been concealed, which is amazing. I love kind of like that dewy hydrated look. I much prefer that these days to matte. It just kind of gives my skin more life, so I really enjoyed that. And yeah, I think it's really nice. So let me bring you in for a close-up. Really nice coverage. And it's definitely buildable. As you could see when I did the first layer, it was nice, but when I put a bit more on, that's when I really got the look I was hoping for. Alright, so the time is currently 10 past 1. I am going to finish my makeup and I'm going to touch base throughout the day and let you know how it's wearing. Okay, it is now 2:30 and I have finished my makeup. I kept my base quite light. I just applied a little bit of blush, bronzer and highlighter. I didn't apply any setting sprays or setting powders. I really just want to see how the foundation performs on its own. But so far I'm still really impressed with it. It's a really beautiful finish. It is dewy, which I love, and it hasn't budged at all when I applied the other products over the top. They sat really nicely on top, a really smooth application. And yeah, so I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day. Here is a close-up just so you can see what it looks like. It's now 5:45 and I have been outside just pottering in our garden, been watching TV, I took an outfit pic, so I've just been doing some like just little bits and pieces, but my makeup seems to have held up really well. I am finding I'm getting a little more shine through here, but just keep in mind I didn't use any setting spray or setting powder. But apart from that, I'm still really loving it. The finish is really nice and it's lightweight and my makeup has held up well on it, so I'm really impressed. Here is just a close-up if you wanted to see. So yeah, just like a little bit around here. But I mean, that's not unnormal or uncommon for me to get a bit of shine through there, and I normally would use a setting powder to kind of combat that, but apart from that, it's looking really nice. Maybe a little bit of shine just through here as well. Hi guys, it is now 9 PM, so I thought I'd come and do my last check-in of the day before I go and wash all of this off. Since my last update, I have baked dinner, I have watched TV, I have just potted about, and overall I am super impressed with this foundation and the results. My makeup has lasted all day without the assistance of any setting sprays or powders. I am a bit shiny through the T-zone, but that's quite normal for me on a regular day, so I'm not really surprised. But overall, I absolutely love the dewy finish. I just love the coverage and just how well it lasted throughout the day. As you can see, there is a little bit of shine just through that T-zone, but overall, I think the foundation has lasted really well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the Too Faced Dew You foundation, just let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you get an alert every time I have a new video go live, which should be every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thanks again for watching and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.